How's it going, everybody? I am Doug from Storytellers Union, back for another quick little demo for everybody. I recently picked up Melodyne 5. I've never really been a fan of pitch correction, although this has given me a lot of confidence in my own voice so I can go back and play with things. But it's also a very good learning tool, just seeing how songs are structured and how vocal parts are structured. And it actually helps me when, say, Kevin sends me something that's just a vocal line. I don't have the best ear or even the best relative pitch, but now I have a really good visual representation of exactly what's going on. And to that end, I'm going to dive right in here and show you what I'm talking about and how it can read notes and actually be very helpful in the correction process. So let me go in here and import some audio. This is a song we're working on, Storytellers Union. Kevin had sent me the vocal line for it, so I'm going to open up his main vocal. You'll see it will open it up and detect the monophonic signal. And here we have, looks like a lot of noise before anything actually starts, but you can go in through here and see. And it's detecting that it's in G major, which is actually correct for this. This song is actually written in E minor, so I'm going to do that. So this should be pretty much dead on, but if there are any variations that we need to fix, like that looks like it's a little bit out, there's some waves everywhere. What you can do is this super simple pitch correction like this. Select all. You can see it's grabbed everything, and since I've changed the key to E minor, you can see everything that's in white would be in key. And like I say, it looks like Kevin gets a little pitchy here. There's some places where he dips slightly out, and that's going to be expected. I mean, we do this as a passion, not a profession, so no judgment here. But what we can do to get this really into key, and now that everything's selected, is just double click. And you see how it just snaps everything right in there. And just as a little sample here, let me bring this over, and you can hear a little bit of what it sounds like.
My shadow falls as I look into his eyes. Absently rolls his car.
So that's all I'm going to give you there, because this song is still a work in progress, but you can see it is artifactless pitch correction. Very natural, still the natural vibrato. You can even see that in some of the places here where he's using the natural vibrato, but just a real quick pitch correction for you. Look out for this song. It'll be on its way later this year.